Hello everyone, welcome back to the point tutorial. And today we will discuss about and explain about how to make your own picture or your own drawing become an anime or become a cartoon. Okay, this is a very simple process, and you can see the result is like this. Okay, I will tell you the step to step in creating this kind of anime. Okay, first I'm using BlueStack in my computer, as you can see. Yeah, okay, as you can see I have BlueStack, and then we will start the BlueStack. Okay, the BlueStack is starting. Okay, we will use an app that called Avatar Door. Okay, I don't have it, and we will install it. Avatar Door. This is the apps that we will use. This is the app that we will use, the Avatar Door. Okay. Why we are using this? Because the position is I can't draw as good as this avatar do. And then the second is these apps can give so many facial expression. That's so why I'm choosing this to make some animation. Of course, this is very simple. You can do this with to use in your mobile phone too, or your smartphone. Just very easy. Okay, if you are mastering this, you can always use this making. Okay, the music is, I will turn up the music. Okay, you can make everything here. The position, you I suggest you don't make any avatar with white skin. Okay, we will change the skin, become darker, like this maybe. Okay, we can always make a little bit like this, quite funky. Okay, and then the mouth can always change the mouth. Okay, this is quite good. The eyes, these apps have a lot of eyes that you can choose. If you want to unlock these eyes, you can always watch the ads. Okay, we will try this. You have this is for sleeping emote, this is for happy, this is maybe for angry. A lot of you can choose. I will choose this one or this one. This is for the normal. And then the eyebrow, you can make the eyebrow like this. Okay, I don't need any okay, I don't need any horn. Okay, I will make the head color for the hair is black, and then we will give him some clothes. Okay, this is boy, right? I won't give him any. You can always right, see you can always choose the hand. Okay, I want you to make some maybe jeans. Okay, you can also give him any shoes like that. And then I think this is good enough. It says I give you name with Jojo, okay, something like that. Okay, saving. Okay, if they're saving, and then we will take the Jojo, and then we just need to snipping it. Okay, new. Okay, this is Jojo, right? And then we just save it. Okay, and then we will take this Jojo, and then we just need to snip it. Okay, snipping it. Okay, new. Okay, this is Jojo, right? And then we just save it. Okay, this is Jojo, right? And then we just need to snip it. Okay, new. Okay, this is Jojo, right? And then we just need to snip it. Okay, just save it. Okay, Music 7 Jojo cartoon. Okay, and then we open Edge. I'm using Microsoft Edge. Okay, and then we will go to Sketch Meta Demo Lab. Not this one. What the? Oh, someone making the SEO progress. So here's the okay, and then we upload the photos. I already have the photos. Okay, then we will select next. We will agree to this. Ready? See that? Okay, then you see he's running. Right? Quite good, right? Okay. Okay, see? He's waving at you. And then he can be dancing on like this. Quite good, right? Okay, if you like the animation, you can always download it by pressing the share. But I don't see any. Copy link, and then this, and then click share. What's something different here? Try to use this. Okay, it's better to use Firefox, because Firefox can download it. Okay, you can download this, and then you can always use this animation to your and input this animation into your film Kinora or film KineMaster, just like that. Okay, that's all tutorial for today. See you next time, and I hope you are enjoying making some other cartoon. Bye bye.